Cuties! Welcome to Priya's Kids Diary.
Old MacDonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a cow.
Hello Cuties! Today we draw pumpkin.
Everywhere, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Pumpkin is a healthy vegetable. I like to eat pumpkin.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Come on, let's color the pumpkin. Here I'm coloring rainbow colors. Brown,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
pink,
And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
orange,
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
peacock green,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
green,
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
purple,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
sky blue,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Red.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
baby pink,
W, X, Y, and Z.
yellow.
Now I know my
Hey, we draw the pumpkin.
time, won't you
Okay, cuties, we will see you on next video.